Dusty chrome on pump 3, radio hums a low decree. Long haul miles behind me, this crack sign feels too close, you see. Midnight gospel faded blue across the highway waits for you. I don't whisper prayers at night, but I hum with engine light. This old truck, it sings along a tired, twangy, faithful song. Gas station, midnight gospel, headlights pointing where I'll go. Gas station, midnight gospel, only choir I know. Driver door swings open wide, stranger walks from the other side, heads for the restroom. No hello, just the hum and the neon glow. We don't speak, we just exist in this lonely midnight mist. I don't whisper prayers at night, but I hum with engine light. This old truck, it sings along the tired, twangy, faithful song. Gas station, midnight gospel, headlights pointing where I'll go. Gas station, midnight gospel, only choir I know. The painted saint on that old board seems to watch my every word. Headlights blaze, a silent hymn fade to black, and back again. Headlights dim, then blaze anew. Gas station, midnight gospel, this old truck's finally through. Gas station, midnight gospel, my faith is tired but true.